Hi, I'm Michelle, and I'm going to show you how to replace the screw on your Tricycoo UL child handle where it connects the front wheel assembly and the child handlebars. If you've experienced the screw coming loose and coming off and your handlebars coming up, we've made a fix for this. So if you need this part, give our customer service a call. We're happy to send this part out to you, no charge, and we'll get the bike fixed up for you. So the first thing you want to do is lift this little lock here and then this cap covering the screw, and you'll see the screw right here. And we're going to want to remove this one that is in there. We're going to be sending you an Allen wrench with your other screw. So you're going to want to use that to unscrew it. Once it's loose enough, you can use your fingers for the rest. There we go, and it's off. You'll notice that the screw you take off is going to be shorter than the new screw that we have for you. So you'll want to put that one aside, and then you'll take the new screw, which is a bit longer, and we have a new little part that's going to go with this screw called the locking washer, right there. So what you're going to do is you're just going to slip that over the screw until it hits the head of that screw, just like that. Then you're going to put the screw back on where you removed the other one from. Now when you do this, you want to make sure that your handlebars are attached right. So make sure it's down nice and snug before you start putting the new screw in with the lock washer. You can start it with your fingers. It's a tight space, but it's doable. And then use the Allen wrench with the small side to finish that up. You can give your handlebars a tug before you're completely done screwing it in, just to make sure that that screw has caught in there and it's working. You're assembling it correctly. Tighten it nice and tight. Put that down, lock it. Give it a little bounce, make sure it's nice and stable, and you're good to go. Give us a call if you have any questions, or again, if you need this new part.